Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Today we have with us one more smartwatch from Noise, and it's the Noise ColorFit Caliber. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you the features. So here is the box of the ColorFit Caliber. In the front we have the picture of the smartwatch, and here we can see that it's a fitness smartwatch. At the back we have the features, and here we can see the color, which is the metal black. And apart from that, this smartwatch is available in few different colors. And about the features, you get the 1.69-inch TFT display, SPO2 monitoring, 15 days of battery life, body temperature which is new, calls and SMS quick reply, IP68 waterproof, heart rate monitoring, 60 sports modes, and you get the stress monitoring in this smartwatch. The companion app NoiseFit is available on both Android and iOS. And here we have the MRP of this smartwatch, which is 3,999. However, the launch price is just 1,999. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So here on the top we get this thank you card, and here we have the warranty information, and then we get these noise stickers, and then below it we have the smartwatch itself. And guys, my first impression about this smartwatch is that it feels really lightweight. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the user manual, which has a detailed info about the features of this smartwatch. And then we get the charging cable, which is magnetic, and here is how it connects at the back of the smartwatch. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Noise ColorFit Caliber is a budget fitness smartwatch, and looking at the design and build quality, first of all we have this flat edge design which looks decent, but I personally prefer the curved glass design, and in my opinion the curved glass looks more premium. Now in terms of the build quality, you get the plastic build in this watch, which is expected in this price range, and due to that it feels lightweight. But again, even though the build quality feels good, I'm not that much impressed with this boxy design, but it's just my personal preference. Now looking at these straps, the straps are made up of TPU. The look and feel of the straps is good, and it does feel comfortable on the hand. Now in terms of the overview, in the front we have the 1.69-inch TFT LCD display, and you can see the bezels on both top and bottom. On the right side we have this crown button, which is the function button, and you get this noise logo on it. At the back we have the sensors, and here we have the heart rate, SPO2, and you can see this white silver dot, which is the temperature sensor. Above the sensors we have the charging points. So overall in terms of design and build quality, though the build quality of the ColorFit Caliber is good, but with the boxy design and chunky body, in our opinion, this smartwatch doesn't look that premium. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So for pairing, we need the app NoiseFit, and at the time of initial setup, it will ask you to select the watch. And here we have our watch paired with our phone. Now let's look at the watch features first. So first of all guys, about the display, we have the 1.69-inch TFT display on this watch, but I find the color reproduction and the viewing angle of this display good. And to be honest, it's one of the best looking display I have seen in a smartwatch under Rs 2000. Now in terms of the overview, so here we are on the watch face, and upon long pressing, you can see the available watch faces. And also guys, we get over 150 plus watch faces for this smartwatch in the companion app, which I will show you in a moment. So about the menu, swiping down from the top will show you the notification history, and swiping up from the bottom will show you the quick settings. And here we have the battery saver mode, brightness, DND, torch, and the settings of the smartwatch. Swiping left or right will show you the quick cards, and here we have the fitness data, heart rate, stress monitoring, breathe, and music controls. To access the main menu, you need to press the crown button once, and here we have the menu. And about the menu, it looks exactly as the ColorFit Ultra 2. And about the lag and touch response, there is no lag in the menu, and the touch response is also very good. And I'm really happy to see this kind of performance from a smartwatch which is priced under Rs 2000. Now about the menu, so first we have the noise health, and in this we get the activity, which will show you the current day's fitness data. After that we have the sleep menu, which will let you see the last night's sleep details. After that we have the SPO2 monitoring, which is pretty accurate. And then we have the heart rate monitoring. And guys, this smartwatch supports 24 hours heart rate monitoring, even though the data is accurate, and we have also compared it with a dedicated device, but we noticed the same issue, that it was giving us a false reading when you're not wearing the watch. Hope Noise can fix it in an OTA update. After that we have the temperature, which by the way is new in Noise smartwatches, and here it will show you the surface and body temperature, which is pretty useful. Then we have the stress monitoring, which will show you a score and will let you know how stressed you are. Then in the menu we have the clock, and here in this we have the alarm, stopwatch, world clock, and the timer, which comes with the preset timers. Then in the menu we have the workout, and here we get 60 sports modes. And guys, getting these many options in this budget fitness smartwatch is pretty impressive. After the sports modes, we have the sports records, which will show you your workout history. After that we have the weather, where you can see the current weather as well as the weather forecast. And then we have the music, which lets you control the music on your phone, and you can also increase or decrease the volume. Then in the menu we have the breathe. From here you can do some breathing exercises. And then we have the reminders, which you can set from the app. After that we have the flashlight, which is pretty handy feature, and you can also access the flashlight from the quick settings. Then in the menu we have the watch faces, which will show you the default watch faces. And then finally we have the settings. In the settings we have the brightness, vibration, raise to wake, which is the raise to wake feature. And talking about the raise to wake feature, it works pretty good and also quite responsive. And also when you lower your hand, the display turns off. Then in the settings we have the usual options such as the app QR code, reset, and power off option. So that's all the features we have in the smartwatch. And guys, keeping in mind that it's a budget smartwatch, I really find the option and the features of this smartwatch pretty good. You're getting almost all the features which you get in the ColorFit Ultra 2 plus the temperature sensor. And here we have the LCD display instead of the AMOLED display. But the pricing is also less than half of the ColorFit Ultra 2. In terms of the companion app, we have featured and showcased the app NoiseFit in our previous videos. And today we will be covering just the basics. So here we are on the homepage of the app, and here you can see your fitness data. And then on the next page, we have the watch face store. And guys, you get a lot of options for this smartwatch, and also you get the animated watch face support in this smartwatch. Then we have the watch settings, and here you can turn on the reminders and also enable the auto heart rate feature and REM for better sleep tracking. Then in the settings you can select the apps for which you want the notification alert on your watch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. And guys, I'm using this watch with the iPhone, so I'm not getting the quick reply feature. But I can confirm that it does work with the Android phones. Now let me show you the app alert. So here is the WhatsApp alert, and in this smartwatch we don't have the emoji support. So overall the Noise ColorFit Caliber is a decent smartwatch in budget price. The build quality is good and the design is fine, but instead of this boxy and chunky design, I wish it had the curved display and sleek design. The battery backup is also very good, and during our testing, we noticed only 10% dip in the battery, and that too with the continuous heart rate monitoring. The display of this smartwatch is very good and you get good touch response. The fitness data is fairly accurate except that false heart rate reading. Nonetheless, with the additional temperature sensor, we think it's the best budget smartwatch you can buy right now under 2000 rupees, which offers lot of features and options. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Noise ColorFit Caliber smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.